Right. Good afternoon, everyone. We are warmly welcome to the Hikvision training program today. So today we are going to talk about the site management with Hik-Partner Pro. So mastering site management with Hik-Partner Pro. So we'll go ahead, Tarinder. Right. In this session, we are going to talk about the live introduction, and the second part is Hik-Partner Pro, and we are talking in this session we are going to talk about the cloud switch session, and there's a practical also. These are the main contents today's session, right? And so in this screen you can see our social media platforms, especially Facebook and YouTube. So with scanning this QR code, so you can go to the this site, and you can subscribe and like to our pages. We have official Facebook page, Hikvision Sri Lanka, and our official YouTube channel, Hikvision Sri Lanka official YouTube channel we have. And apart from that, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Telegram channel also there. And when we are talking about the e-learning, so in this session, in this particular category, we are going to give some certificate. So if you need to be a certified technician or certified engineer, or like a CCTV certified person, so you can click this e-learning button, and you can get some more information about it. And if you need more information, you can go to our YouTube channel, Hikvision Sri Lanka YouTube channel, so you can get some more details about this. And the other two part is training feedback and gift. This related to our training session, the feedbacks and the gift winners. And this is our social media platform. And if you're not subscribed or like yet, so you can go to this website and the social media platforms, and you can subscribe our channels, and you can like our pages as well.
Okay, let me introduce. Before we are going to in detail, let me share about something with our app can do. Let me share my mobile screen first. I'm using only mobile. Okay, now I think can you see our mobile screen?
I can see your screen.
Okay, let me open Hik-Partner Pro app first. Okay, when I open my app, the pop-up message come and show new device found. What is this new device? These are inactive devices in our site. And before it, let me show something also. So I'm using the Hik-Partner Pro app. Then another thing we have, I have a very little setup. Let's assume it's like a site. Let me share that. Okay, this is my setup. I'm using two Hikvision cloud switch, then also have two Hikvision camera and very new EDVR, two EDVR also in this site. So let me switch to mobile view also now. So that one we can, okay, I'm going to again mobile screen. Now you can see one EDVR and one cloud switch appears in here. So I would like to activate it. I'm only using the mobile phone. So click activate. Then I can set the device password and verification password. Verification password needed to add especially camera view, live view decryption. So you can use that. I click next. It will take some time to activate. Then I can go with complete. Then I can add these to a site. I'm making a site. Let's see, HPP site new. So I'm adding some switches and some device also. Okay, I have selected that activated two device, one switch, and also one EDVR and another IP camera, another switch. Then let me add this detail. It will take in few times. It will take some time and device adding. Okay, now for device successfully added to our site. I'm only click the complete site. Now you can see 4 devices in here, like one EDVR and 2 switch and 1 IP camera. I think you can have so many questions what I am doing with that app and how to do it and what is this function. Okay, let's talk about it. Let me switch to our presentation again. Okay, we are talking about Hik-Partner Pro. Avanta?
I think Avanta has some connection problem, so I will explain this part. I think most of our viewers might have heard about Hik-Partner Pro, or in short form, we call it HPP. So it is a great tool that introduced by Hikvision for actually targeting all our installers. So our installers can get a lot of benefit out of it. So the main attraction of our HPP app is the point program. As you are already aware that we can, you can actually scan the products that you purchase and through this app and collect points. For that points, you can convert it to discount vouchers, and when you are going to purchase again, you can use that as a discount voucher and get that discount out of it. So that is the main attraction of the application for the loyalty reward system, as well as we have so many other benefits that you can get. For example, we have tools for storage, the network calculation, and we have so many things that can help you to understand our products. For example, we have a product manager, so you can easily find out details about all our product categories. And also we have the explore module for you to get the latest market information, as well as educate yourself with latest technical information. And some interesting videos are also there. So there are so many things that you can learn. And as well as not only that, we have the site and device management, which is the main topic that we are going to discuss today. So if you still don't have HPP set up, you can scan the QR codes that is visible now on the screen. Left side one is for getting started guide to how to download the app and how to set up the initial details. And the second QR is how to become authorized. So what we will do is we will authorize you as a Hikvision authorized partner in the application, so you can receive these benefits which I mentioned earlier. Tarindu, I hope this explanation is clear to our viewers. Let's move on to the next part.
Yes, it's very clear.
Okay. So I think right now we have given you a small demonstration about what is Hik-Partner Pro, and we have done extensive training regarding that, and we have also shared the QR links to our YouTube channel, so you can get more information about the Hik-Partner Pro app and how, as an installer, how you can get benefits from our Hik-Partner Pro app. Okay. So when you are as an installer, when you are doing a site, so what you basically do is, if you are doing a IP camera site, just imagine. So you will, first of all, you will do the cabling and you will do the camera mounting, and you will connect the NVR for the initial setup. So as you saw in the Tarindu setup, the things are initially connected. So after that, we saw how we can see, interact and activate devices with this Hik-Partner Pro app. So here I'm going to tell you how you can connect this Hik-Partner Pro app with your installation setup for the devices in a private network. So there are actually two methods. For the initial methods, if this network is connected to a router, a Wi-Fi capability router, actually you can simply connect your Hik-Partner Pro, the mobile phone that has installed Hik-Partner Pro app, directly to this Wi-Fi network. That's the option one. The option two is actually you can connect your mobile phone to the switch through a wired connection. For that, actually, I think most probably you have to go for a adapter. If you are using an iPhone, I think you have to go with the type Lightning to Ethernet adapter. Otherwise, you have a phone with the USB-C connector. You have to use USB-C to Ethernet adapter as well. So by connecting these, actually you can easily install and activate your devices using this Hik-Partner Pro app. Okay. So when we are doing a network, IP network installation, actually we use switches to manage our network easier. So here we are going to introduce about our smart managed switch, and we can also call this switch as our cloud switch as well. So let's go ahead and see as an installer, what kind of benefits you will get by using this smart manage or cloud switches. Okay, when you are using this smart manage or cloud switches, actually you can do this network configurations, everything on the phone. So when you are going to the site, you don't have to take a monitor with you, and or you don't have to take a laptop with you. You simply want to have your mobile phone pre-installed with the Hik-Partner Pro app, and you must have the ability to connect your phone to the uh, already existing network that you are going to install. So these are the mandatory features. And after that, when you're using these cloud switches, you can get a connection topology of your network. So here in this phone also, I think you can see here we have shown you for each switches what kind of devices are connected, and their details actually you can obtain. So this topology you don't have to create by yourself. The application itself will generate this network topology for you. That's the beauty of this using this cloud switch. And also you can get idea about the network and the device status of the devices that are connected to this uh, cloud switch. And also you can easily configure using Hik-Partner Pro app by using this switch. And also when you're thinking about the troubleshooting, if there's something wrong with your surveillance network, most of the time I think you have to go to site and see what is wrong. So for you to go to that site, actually it will consume time, it will consume fuel. So by using this, actually you can minimize and reduce those implications that you have to go to the site physically to do the troubleshooting. And by this, you can quickly locate the problems. What is the bottleneck? What is the problem that you can quickly locate it, and you can easily solve these problems using this Hik-Partner Pro app by using our cloud switch. Just an example, if there is a problem with the camera, most probably you have to go to the site and you have to restart the device camera to make it up and running again. But by using this app, actually, you don't have to physically go to the site. You can simply get your phone and you can restart the camera by using this application. Because with the cloud management switch, you can restart devices connected to each and every port. So you can have a easier time managing sites and troubleshooting any problems. Okay. Here we are demonstrating what are the advantages and how you can troubleshoot manually. As I demonstrate here, you can see the network topology. There are the NVRs that are connected and the cameras that are connected. You can clearly see the network topology of the devices, as well as you can see the status of the switches, the CPU usages, memory usages, and PoE power of the switches that are being using. And for the connected devices, you can get the serial numbers, device name, device type, all these devices, all these details actually you can access from the Hik-Partner Pro app itself. And also the main thing is you can get notifications about the bandwidth consumption of the switch. So if there is a normal range in the ash color, you can see the bandwidth consumption is normal. If it is went over 80%, it will indicate that busy with the yellow color. And if the bandwidth consumption is really high, more than 100%, actually, you will see that's blocked. So you can have a visualized overview with the color on the bandwidth consumption of your network with this app. Okay. So here you can see the product family of our smart managed switch. It means cloud switches. So as you know, every Hikvision product lineup, we have Value Series, Pro Series, and Ultra Series. Once you go up this ladder, you will have better features and the price will be higher. So from the initial level, from the fast Ethernet to gigabyte, you have our PoE switches. You can simply use this our smart managed switch to the access layers and directly connect your POI switches to manage easily. Okay, Tarindu. So I think right now we have given them a small demonstration about our Hik-Partner Pro app as well as about our smart managed switches and cloud managed switches. What are the advantages and how it will make their life easier? So shall we move ahead and give a demonstration practically how they can use these functions?
Yes, Varuna. First, let me share my mobile screen. Okay, let me open the app. So when we are going to the our app, we can go this site section. Then we can have a site that we are configured before HTTP site new. Then we can go to that site and we can have our device list. First, I would like to go with Hikvision Cloud Switch. Let me open it. When we open that device, you can see the switch status like from each port, it port active or not. We can clearly show in here with green icon. You can see there are so many ports and also mentioned some green color. That means that ports are online and others is unplugged or offline. And also you can see the CPU usage, memory, and also especially PoE power and peak PoE power usage in last 7 days. That also is very important. And after that, you can check each port status like PoE power and bandwidth and bitrate, and also you can see device details using peer device and extended mode and so many things. Let me explain one by one. You can see, I think here ETH2. Let me highlight that one. This one. So you can easily see this. Here mention the PoE power 3.3 watt and also uh, bitrate and also bandwidth usage. So we can easily check the each port bandwidth usage, power usage, and device details. And also let's think if anything happened that device or getting device is stuck, uh, like IP camera stuck, you can easily reboot that port using this one. Let me check with another camera here. You can see, click the reboot port and here it will loading and demand for the rebooting send. That means easily that device, here you can see PoE power off and again power on. That means the switch turn off that power on that we selected port, then again power on. That means your connected device with PoE that also going to reboot due to power reset. So you can easily check the details also. Another thing is you can see the topology in this site, but it will take some time. You can see this topology still not loading. Let's check about a few minutes because in first time it will getting some time to load it. And I think we can cover most of our required detail about light switch. Yasanta, anything need to add? Okay. Then we can go for a site handovering also. That means we can do a site handovering like we example for this site, we just create this site and not hand over to our customer. Now we can hand over our site to customer. So you can do with easily this handover site section. Click here and pop up message with two option. One is transfer, second one is share. That means two option means transfer means your device and configuration permission, all that detail transfer to your customer, and you cannot have the configuration permission or support into customer with configuration. If you are using share function, that means you can access the only for the configuration, and also if you need to another thing like playback check or check the live view, you need to apply permission from the customer. After that, you can have that one. That's two thing. I think you are clear on that two option. Let's go with share function. And we have three steps. One is share permission and based on each device, like share device and encoding network switch we selected. And after that, secondly, we can have each device permission like configuration, live view, playback. Let me check all. Then we go to next. Then as a third step for the handover, we can share this QR code with customer or with customer's Hik Connect account. That means customer need to create a Hik Connect account and log in it. Then he can scan this QR with that Hik Connect app. Then this site will hand over to customer, or we can use the handover via phone or mobile based on customer email address. Let's put email address to here. Let's share with customer. Okay, request for handover sent. That means our handover sent to customer. Let's see from Hik Connect account. This is our customer Hik Connect and we have one notification. Let's see what is it for the service section. And here is the message for device handover application. We can easily click that one, and we can all required details like your company detail and company logo. If you have configured that for branding, and also each device live view or playback configuration, like so many things. You can hear that. Then customer easily agree to this one, and okay, then customer have all that shared detail or device in here. See, you can easily check the each device status like that. Yeah, so customer can easily check your details, and also you can see some logo in here, like also me tab about. See, this app is customized to your company detail, so we can do that with co-branding. We will talk about later. Okay, do you have any question about this part? This is clear. All I hope you can.
Tarik, I think there is one question in the Q&A
Mhm.
by Mr. Muhammad Hanifa. It's how to add value added service package in HPP. I think it is a valid question because I think even this co-branding feature is heavily useful for all the installers to showcase their brand name and do the brand promotion. So shall we just do a quick introduction about the service market?
Sure. Okay. For regarding service market, we need to go to Me tab. Then we have a service market section. Then go to service market, and you can have our service market. So we have a few options like health monitoring package. You can use it with key for the long time if you want to use, and also have company account add-on. That means some if you need to add another person to your company or like that, and also co-branding, that is all we already activated. That's why I already got in here. And you have two options. One is you can easily purchase with your points, and also you can have a key from our distributor. Then you can click this one and enter the key service key in here. Then you can activate your function also. I think now it's clear. If anything need to clarify, you can raise the question again.
I think that if anybody having trouble to purchase a key, they can reach to us using support@hikvision.lk email. Just share your requirement to us, and we will help you to uh, uh, get the pricing or get the key from our distributor. So it is simple as that. If you have the points, you can just claim the service from the points, but not all the services are available for points. Maybe the employee add-on is there, and co-branding is there. So if we are co-branding, we are having a superb offer. So right now you can get it for free. So we encourage you to claim that offer as soon as possible. If you have not created your HPP account, do it today. We have shared the guidelines, and get it authorized and apply for co-branding. Only requirement is to become authorized, as well as at least add three devices to your account. That's the only requirement, and you can get co-branding for 1 year free of charge. So we encourage all of you to claim that offer because it is a limited time offer. Soon it will be not there. You will have to pay to get the co-branding or pay from your points. So we encourage all of you to set up and get the co-branding as soon as possible. Okay, Taran, I think we don't have any more questions, so we can move forward with the presentation. And meanwhile, if you guys have any questions, please raise it in the Q&A and we can take it forward. Yeah. Okay, I think next we are going to look at the gift. Actually, we have put it out as a mystery gift. All our previous webinars, you know that we told you what exactly you are going to get, but this time we have a mystery gift, but it is going to be a Hikvision branded gift pack. So we'll have so many branded stuff inside it. So let's see how we can claim this gift. To become the lucky winners today, you have to enroll for the raffle draw. In the raffle draw, we are asking some of your opinions, what you think about this training program, and any improvement points or any suggestions. And also we ask you about HVP, some questions. So we expect your opinions and we value those opinions to improve ourselves. So Tarindu now will share the link in the chat. Please fill your details and enroll for the raffle draw and take that opportunity to share your feedback with us as well. Right, Tarindu?
Yes, correct. Let me share that link with you. So I'm sharing with everyone our link.
Okay. While our viewers are registering for the raffle draw, I want to talk a little bit about co-branding as well, because this co-branding actually can help you, actually the installers, to increase their brand awareness. Because when end customer use the HiConnect app to live view or playback using their mobile, they will see your company logo on the application. So that is a very critical thing that you can use to build the trust. Because if the app is coming directly branded with your company logo, the customer also get the confidence that you have strong ability with the brand that you supply. So this is a golden opportunity for you to showcase your brand, increase your brand awareness or your company awareness, and increase the value and the trust with your customers. So it is simple as that. You can active your co-branding in the application. We will shortly show you a demo as well. So all you have to do is like, as I mentioned earlier, either you can purchase it from your points or purchase it as a service key by paying money, or just claim the offer that we are having right now. Just add 3 accounts and get your company authorized, and that's it. You can get co-branding for 1 year for free of charge. So what happens when you get co-branding is actually when customer will see your company logo in 5 different locations, starting from the login screen or loading screen. And even when they swipe down to refresh any sort of screen, they will see your company logo there. And also in the login screen also, your logo will be available, and as well as in about page and also in device authorization page. So this is actually a great deal to showcase your brand or the logo in the HPP app. So let's see how we can practically do it. Tarinu, can you please share your mobile screen view?
Yes, let me share. Now I'm logging to Hik Connect. Should I log it? When I refreshing, this is our customized logo. And when we are going to Meet tab, About tab, that also the customized logo. Otherwise, this have a Hikvision logo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This
Tarinu,
is
go
our-
ahead.
Okay, this is our customers app. That means Hik Connect app. When we are going to our Hik-Partner Pro app, we can configure this one with Meet app. Then we need to go to company management. Then we need to go to co-branding. Then we have very few configuration. You can just click the get for free. Then you should like put 2 things. One is complete your company authentication. Second one is you need to add 3 or more devices. So now both are okay. Then we can get them now. That means you have the co-branding. After that, you can simply upload the logo using this one logo. Then we can have your logo also. It will take some time to upload that your logo to custom app also, and all changes like that. Login screen, loading screen, and also home, and also about button. And let's see about our still that old logo. It will take some time. Now you can see our new logo is appear, and also let's see about me and about tab. That also our new logo. Okay, Yasanta, anything need to add?
I think the demonstration is very clear, Tarindu. So it's a very simple step. You just upload your logo after claiming the free offer, and you have to enable it. Then just upload the logo, and it'll appear on your customer side. Only thing that you have to do is make sure that you hand over the site to the customer using HPP app. Then customer will see your co-branding when it is enabled on this app. So I think Tarindu, we don't have any more questions. If anyone need more time to fill the raffle draw, please send a yes in the chat. Otherwise, we will start with the lucky wheel to select the lucky winner of today's training program. So wishing you a happy weekend, and time for us to say goodbye.